Most might think this is a weird alien-looking spider, but it's actually a tail of a snake. Specifically, the spider-tailed horned viper, a venomous snake native to western Iran. It uses its tail as a lure, with it having a fleshy, bulbous tip and appendages that mimic spider legs. As the viper stays completely still, camouflaged against rocks and sand, it uses a technique called caudal luring, where it wiggles its tail to look like a crawling spider. This attracts nearby birds. Thinking it has found a free meal, the bird tries to snatch it, making him the free meal. Imagine this snake imitating cheeseburgers,